Welcome to day 22. So, congratulations. So, you have successfully completed our fifth flatline, that is day 21. So, today we are going to discuss the sequence part of our trigger or section. So, we have already discussed in fifth video in detail manner. So, we are going to discuss the sixth part, that is one is left preceding action based triggers. So, let's discuss. So, first, just quickly summarize. So, we have seen and just elaborately we have discussed about the location based, then time based, then emotional based, like the like some emotion or something occupied in our mind, or like we are attached with that action. First of all, understand means we are doing something or some work, and that leads to the like trigger, and then finally having the urge, and then do the course of action, that is watching porn and the masturbation and other things. So preceding action, like watching porn is already a preceding action. Like if you watch one video, like just some short clip, then again like long videos and just surfing and trying to the explore other categories and so on, and you just spend like 1 hour 2 hour even day or night. So binge over the Insta and YouTube, like how YouTube and Instagram and all the social media is like hooking up you to like giving the like the preceding action happening like that. So group which sends like adult material on something, touching your private parts, sexting. This is the one of the important thing you have to understand if you are doing adult and erotic material like music, a story, video. Once more, we have already discussed in the emotional based trigger. So, but still we have to include in that how we can also understand preceding and tabuness last one is. So let's start 111. So batching porn means now we just landed over some pages or some website to watch some like a quick short clip or not to get instant gratification. Again, understand instant gratification versus delayed gratification. So you have to understand either you are getting like you just it's already clicked in your mind. So it's like the no, not you can say wrong, but it is the instant gratification. But you have to understand and just go away from there. You just run away. So in this, what you have to do means whenever we're learning to, first of all, you have to plan your whole day. So you can be busy and you have to be like, if you are surfing or you are doing the using your laptop and while, then you will stick to the result or whatever you want to do there. And then always wear a full shorts. So whenever you are serving, whenever you are alone or at home or even in night. So no, try to not avoid these things and drink enough water. Have a rituals means before your day, after like during the sleep and all the things. You just plan the rest so that there is no scope, isn't it? So develop some habit like playing, reading in your free time in spite of not just binge watching or something. So that will also help you, and try to like if you have free time, then you just so you open incognito and start. So you have to replace that time with like online learning or like developing some habit like online reading, Kindle, audiobook, something, playing guitar, or any kind of thing you just explore. Extension theory, if it's happened means like a strong urge you are unable to control and you are just on the laptop or any browser, so you just follow the extension theory we have discussed means open and then close, open and close means it have to happen in 5 seconds or like in a very less time. If you are spend like hour, then definitely it's not going to work. Safe searcher porn broker, so always install safe searcher porn broker. So no more can't control, follow only what means no, if you are unable to control, then at least you follow like can't control means from the PMO, P stand for no porn means you can do the masturbation and orgasm but don't watching porn means you just follow P but you can escape P and M and O, isn't it? So you can masturbate, it means like blue challenge means you just take the blue means if you having the urge then masturbate without watching porn. So journaling, you just try to write down all the things how you get into the trigger mode and how it leads to, and always follow the golden rule. Binge over Insta and YouTube. So now you have to understand these things right now. Like the people are hooking up, like they are showing or no, it's like intentionally they are doing that kind of thing, and like whoever not like that much smart or no having no great vision, so just indulge into that and scroll over there. So you have to understand this. You have to plan your day as well and have rituals like we have discussed. Develop some habit, online habit where like now if you are just binge watching over the Insta, in spite of that you just scroll some great people, some great stuff. You just try to get some ideas like that. So stick with the reason why you over the YouTube or any kind of platform. So you just stick with the reason, stick with the purpose of that work. Journaling, you just you having any kind of thing, so you just keep journaling. It will give you the insight like where you are lacking and which portion you have to improve. So always follow the golden rule and unfollow all the trigger here means any kind of the person or like any personality who are like spreading like new type of photo, or that is the okay with their perspective and whatever the things and the business all the things. But you have to understand you are in the challenge mode and you don't want to like any kind of risk, so you just unfollow all the celebrity or the like porn star you have just following over the Instagram, on any platform or like even through the YouTube or some which spread like that kind of the content. So next one is binge talking. Binge talking means it's like very important in day-to-day life with friends or with colleagues. We just binge talking like some unrelevant topic or something. In also in that topic include like some like include some pornography or something like that. So you have to be take care of that. You have to like take care of your slang, how you are using and how your friends are speaking or talking with you. So just keep in mind, and if it happening that you try to improve or just escape from there. So again you have to plan your day, have a ritual, make conversation productive means it's not like just unrelevant or there is no any way of talking. You just make the things which will inspire or like for like the sake of knowledge sharing or some the thing that will lead to the hustle or that will inspire you to do something creative. So you have to do like that thing, you have to be like that, then it's going to be humorous and listener means try to be a patient and very good to listen the other people and not just no binge over whatever you are just nonsense thing. Golden rule you have to obviously follow, and always avoid the friend who talks about the some random irrelevant topics, who were always like talking about some porn actress, or like just emphasizing some girl or boy or some any kind of person regarding this kind of stuff. So you just avoid them and keep in mind, so it will really going to help you. So no hard drive exchange means whenever the person who in any college or like in colleague, there are one person who like a distributor means through pen drive, through means any channel, they just exchange the that one video. So you have to get out from there on get out of there, just cut it from that friend. So that will going to help you. Groups and social media, how it affecting you. So like there are so many groups and social media where you love, but they spread some like semi nude photos or like some celebrity photos or something kind of that is lead to the that trigger zone. Means it's quite okay, but you don't have to take the chance again, I'm saying. So they have the best collection, they are alluring, and they are just sending you the like best pick or like the best shot. So you have to be like, and you have some subscription, like they are saying sharing some that kind of stuff, or might be like some online stuff. So understand the problem and just stick with the purpose, the whatever purpose of the group or social media you are using. And if not meeting that purpose, means purpose apart from the watching phone and doing or exchanging that kind of stuff, just escape from that group, leave that group, and block that group. And even you can report, so report as irrelevant or like explaining pornography or something like that. So that will really going to help you. And always keep like cleaning your history on that. And you have to understand either cigarette and cancer as well, means either you giving the instant gratification or delayed gratification. So keep in mind. And if it is like that, then delete all kind of things, block all the irrelevant things, and keep deleting your history and install safe search. And if happening like that, means still you have the urge, or you are unable to control, or you are unable to give that no group. So you just follow the extension training, means you just open for few seconds and then stop or directly uninstall or like block any kind of thing you can do. And the last one is like a core. I mean, it's a very good app, but no, these days it's there is a huge like adult content and pornography is being spread over there. Means some adult stories or some sort paragraphs. So you have to take care. And if you once you have searched that kind of no questions, then always it like a no always you are looking, or they are showing only that kind of stuff. So you have to take care, and you never like search like that. And if you search by mistake, then just keep cleaning your history, so that you you can get a good and relevant stuff. So you have to use all the social media apps wisely. Next one is like touching, means we have in golden part, it's a very important. And you never touch your never lower down before your obvious part, means you just keep away your hand apart from the private part. So this will happening when now if you are doing that, you also not following the golden rule. Also you can use the rubber band, and when you are seeing like you just doing this thing, you just hit your rubber so hard, so you can get reminded. Keep reminding your vision, means you have to be like taking keep in mind your challenge. So you just remind instant gratification or delayed gratification. If instant gratification, just try to eliminate and just try to replace this thing. Have respect regarding your challenge and your the thing situations like you have to overcome. If you are having it like a problem or struggling with this situation, see your thought, means whenever you are flooding with that kind of thought, then see your thought how it's like the sensation and breathing pattern. We have also discussed one technique. So you just feel the sensation and all the things how it's happening, like dopamine surfing or something like that. Auto suggestion, keep suggesting yourself. And be religious. If you follow some religion, then be religious so it will really help you to like calm, or like you can do also meditation or something. So ABCR journaling, so you can do the journaling, whatever the action, behavior, conclusion, and the finally whatever the result. So keep journaling. And loose fit means we have also discussed about you always wear full shorts, but not too tight, means it will always create pressure around your waist part or your private part. So that will lead some like urge automatically or trigger. So you have to keep in mind, and always wear loose fit pants or any shorts. Or so sexting, it's a like important part nowadays, means among the boy and girl. So they are just exchanging the messages in vulgar way or like in adult way. So you have to keep in mind, if your friend or something like that, so you just block them, or like ask them to help him out, be a accountability partner. So it will be going to benefit both of you. So you just stop immediately and take the action. Have respect the person before you, means the any person regarding you just doing this so you just respect the person and try to overcome from this. So it's not going to is like just worthless. So associate everyone with brother and sister, means like sexualizing anyone or like just seeing as a like the porn actors, the mind as much rewired. So we just visualize everything like fantasizing everything like a porn. So you have to keep a respect, always we are discussing. So have a respect and treat everyone as a brother and sister. That will really help you to get out from it. Like whenever you are saying anyone brother and sister, automatically the mode and the thing will change, means it's like the novel things. So means willingly you like don't want to imagine or don't want to fantasizing that kind of stuff. So it's a very good thing. And also it's discussing in a various book. So this is called 5 second rule. So you just whenever you are imagining or fantasizing about or some with someone, so you just for 5 seconds assume like a brother and sister. So really it will help you out. Accountability, so make the accountability partner, so that will help you or take care about the things. Relating with phone sync, means the thing is we just whenever like do some any that kind of message or the clips or something, so we just relate with the porn or memes, so that will also leading to the like watching porn and then finally do the stuff. If you are like still seeing or you want to, but still the thought is coming, so apply rubber band technique, keep reminding your vision. So again, you just see either it is a instant gratification or delayed gratification, see your thought. So next one is adult or erotic stuff. Yes, so we have already discussed like so many various stuff groups and social platform, they are like spreading like semi-nude photos or like short clips or something like that, so really that will trigger you and lead to the watch porn. So you have to take care of this. So whatever the garbage, whatever the like magazine or something, you just burn or throw from your cupboard or study table where you are keeping, and block the all online stuff, means from where you are reading like online that adult story or something, just block them and just eliminate from your watch list or something. Hampering yourself means it's like hampering your productivity, hampering all the things, like in spite of like you are reading now 1 hour, even some people are reading a lot and lot, so in spite of that, if you are start reading some books, so it will giving you to like a huge benefit, means it's like boosting your life. So don't want to but are still doing. So if you are now want to quit but not able to get rid of it, so apply the rubber band technique, it will really going to take the challenge. So keep reminding your vision, instant gratification again, or either it's a cigarette or cancer, have respect and see your thought. So take the challenge for at least for, even we have break into the several part, like even for you can take the challenge for 5 days, 7 days, even 11 days, 15 days, till that you can go for the 150 days and so on. So just take the challenge. And last one is like once more we have already discussed, means when once we masturbate, then now we again want to do, means once we have done, then for the sake of orgasm or to feel the orgasm, we just do it again. So it's like a loop and the frequency is increased. What we do, just watch porn and then orgasm. So you don't want to but are still doing, so that become the problem, and now it will giving the dopamine a spike and the frequency is increased. So you can do the rubber band technique when you are getting this type of thoughts, or like now if you have done, then you just do something to keep reminding yourself and take the challenge seriously. If you are not able to control, then at least you take the blue challenge, means we have discussed, means no point but you can masturbate or orgasm. Keep reminding your vision, instant gratification, have respect, or see your thought how it's like happening, or like if you are having the stronger, you can do some physical activity, step or sport jogging, something like that. The last one is the tabuness, means preoccupied with sexual thought, means from the so many times or with the friends, colleagues, as we have discussed from the so many social media group or channels, now we are just feeding our mind. So whatever the feeding is, whatever the seed we are just now, so it will germinate like that. So you have to keep in mind whatever the things you will are storing in your mind, you are feeding to your brain, so the result is going to in that way. So that will also really like a irritating thing, or if you want but are still unable to control over that, so you have to take care about this and be open up. So no, it's like if you're not sharing with anyone, it's not going to help any, means not going to help a lot, means it will feel you in guilt and keep you in guilt. So just seek help, and for any person or like some expert or therapist, you can just take the help of medication, you can do, or there are several websites, several forums as well. We are also running 30-day bootcamp, so you can join and try to get out of the, just socialize yourself with it and open up, means except you want to quit and then there is nothing to be a public disclosure. So you can do the like rubber band technique whenever you are getting this kind of thought, take the challenge seriously. So if you are not able to but still you take the blue challenge, but I suggest you take the red challenge. So keep reminding your vision, instant gratification, have respect, see your thought, and then whenever you are doing or like having that kind of arts, so just do the physical activity as much as you physical activity will you do. So it will like really help you a lot. Like if you drain the energy, then there is no energy, then you don't want to feel like masturbate again and again. It will like make you the lazy. So that's it for today. I hope you just get some insight. And having any question, please comment or ask through our Telegram support group, and join our Telegram. So ask your friend to join, so we can continue and we can like having the more people in our mission. So thank you so much. See you tomorrow.